Good day and Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher Ms. Maruk Malik from Multan Public School and College. Today we are going to start chapter 5 of Oxford Primary Mathematics 2, multiplication tables of 3 and 4. In this topic there are 3 lessons. Lesson number 1, multiplication tables of 3. Lesson number 2, multiplication tables of 4. Lesson number 3, solving word problem. Dear student, first of all we will come to know what is multiplication. What do you think what is multiplication? Right, reading table. Multiplication is just repeated addition. It is a fast way of adding a series of numbers. Series of numbers means lots of numbers you want to add, but with the help of multiplication you can have your answers early and soon. First of all, your example is 2 4s are 8. That is, you are going to read the table of 2 till 4. For 2 4s are 8. But this means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Means there is a 2 that you are writing 4 times and you are adding it is equal to 8. 3 3s are 9. Look, that means 3 you will add 3 times, then you will have 9. Good. Lesson number 1, multiplication table of 3. Let's learn the timetable of 3. 3 times table. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. Both are same. If you are going to write 1 3s are 3 or 3 ones are 3, they both are same. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. 5 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15. 6 3s are 18, 3 6s are 18. 7 3s are 21, 3 7s are 21. 8 3s are 24, 3 8s are 24. 9 3s are 27, 3 9s are 27. 10 3s are 30. 3 10s are 30. Let's learn 2 more numbers. 11 3s are 33. 12 3s are 36. 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. Good. I think you have learned this table. Let's do practice on this. Let's learn book pages 91, 92, 93 and 94. One group of 3 is equal to 3. That means यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप है जिसके अंदर 3 चीज़ें हैं. वो किसके इक्वल है? वन ग्रुप ऑफ 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 3s are 3. Now, can you see the trains? How many trains are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 trains. That you take the help of addition, but we can do it with the multiplication. 2 groups of 3 is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 groups of 3 is equal to 9. There are 3 plates. In each plate there are 3 apples. 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is a process of adding. You are using process of adding that takes long time. So we will take the help of from multiplication. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Good. 4 groups of 3 is equal to 12. There are 4 plates. In each plate there are 3 strawberries. We will add them. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. So addition is a long process, but we are using the second method of addition, that is multiplication. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 3s are 12. There are 4 groups, means 4 plates, and group of 3 means in each group there are 3 strawberries. 5 group of 3 is equal to 15. 5 group of 3 is equal to 15. Can you see how many pots are there? 5. That's right. How many flour in each pot? Each means every her egg. In each pot 3 flowers are there. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15. Very good. 5 threes are 15. We are taking help from multiplication. Do practice of such questions by yourself. Let's do activity on 3. Help Captain Slimander to cross the river by shading the stepping stones, counting up in threes. What is counting up in threes? That means you have to add 3 numbers in the previous number. Okay? Means you are going to add 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. 21 plus 3 is equal to 24. 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. 27 plus 3 is equal to 30. Excellent. Now count by 3's up to 30. Now you can do that with the help of adding 3 in the previous number. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 plus 3 18. 18 plus 3 21. 21 plus 3 24. 24 plus 3 27. 27 plus 3 30. Excellent. Now you can read the table of 3 because you have practiced adding it 3 and counting up in threes. So you will use the timetable that you have learned previously. So solve this, fill in the missing numbers in 3 times table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Excellent. Now do this matching by yourself. Lesson number 2, multiplication table of 4. Let's learn timetable of 4. 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12, 4 fours are 16, 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24, 7 fours are 28, 8 fours are 32, 9 fours are 36, 10 fours are 40. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Both procedures are same, but their positions are changed. Let's learn pages 95, 96 and 97. One group of 4 is equal to means there is one group in which 4 shirts are there, that is equal to 4. Two groups of 4 is equal to 8. That means you have two groups of books. Two groups of books. In one group there are 4 books, in another group there are 4 books. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, but we are taking help from multiplication. 2 4s are 8. Good. Or you can say that 4 2s are 8. 3 groups of 4 is equal to 12. That means you have 3 groups. 3 groups like 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 groups. In each group there are 4 shirts, and 4 plus 4 and 4 is equal to 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 groups of 4 is equal to 16. Means there are 4 groups in which in one group there are 4 balls, in other group there are 4 balls, in other group there are 4 balls, and in other group there are 4 balls. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16, but we are taking help from multiplication or timetable. 4 4s are 16. 5 group of 4 is equal to 20. Means there are 5 groups in which one group has 4 apple, another group has 4 apple, another group has 4 apple, another group has 4 apple, and another group has 4 apple. 5 4s are 20. Excellent. Let's do activity on 4. Now help Newton to find his way out of the maze by shading the path, counting in 4s up to 40. 4's up to 40. You can take in from 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 4, 36, 36 plus 4, 40. Now you can go out of this way. Counting by 4's up to 40. You can use this method and do this activity by yourself. What is solving word problems? Solving word problem is a complete trick that you need to study and focus to do your word problems. First step, read the question very carefully and make understanding in your mind. क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ें और उसको समझें कि आपसे क्वेश्चन में पूछा क्या गया है. Then consider, underline the important facts and look for the pattern. Now you have read the question, आपने क्वेश्चन पढ़ लिया है, उसमें से इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ों को अंडरलाइन कर लें ताकि आपको समझ आ जाए कि उसमें पूछा क्या गया है. Plan, draw पिक्चर इफ नीडेड टू हेल्प टू यू टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. उसके बाद आपने क्वेश्चन पढ़ लिया और आपको ज़रूरत है कि आपने पिक्चर बनानी है, तो आप उसकी पिक्चर बना लें ताकि आपको बाद में हेल्प आउट हो जाए. राइट एन इक्वेशन फॉर द नंबर प्रॉब्लम. राइट एन इक्वेशन मीन्स आपको समझ आ गई कि इसमें प्लस करना है या माइनस करना है या मल्टीप्लाई करना है या डिवाइड. देन यू कैन राइट योर इक्वेशन, सॉल्व, एंड इफ़ यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन, सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम एंड शो योर वर्क. इवैल्यूएट, डज योर आंसर मेक सेंस? इफ नॉट, ट्राई अगेन. अगर आपको ठीक नहीं लगता कि मेरा क्वेश्चन ठीक है या ठीक नहीं है, इसको रिपीट करें. लेसन 3, सॉल्विंग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. बुक पेजेस 98, 99 and 100. There are 7 stools. Each stool has 3 legs. How many legs are there altogether? You have studied your previous slide. Now I'll take help from your previous slide and do these questions. First of all, read the question, underline the main points, then make a plan, write your equation, solve your equation and show your work, and test yourself that whether your answer is right or wrong. First of all, there are 2 main points that you have to underline. There are 7 stools. How many stools are there? 7 stools. Each stool has how many legs? 3 legs. There are 2 main points. Now you are going to evaluate that which table you are going to use. How many legs are there altogether? Means you are going to find legs of all the stools, and all together means to add up. 3 7s are 21. So we are taking help from multiplication, so we will not add up, we will take help from multiplication. There are 21 legs altogether. There are 6 shirts. Each shirt has 4 buttons. How many buttons are there altogether? First of all, you have read the question. Good. Now underline. How many shirts are there? 6. How many buttons are there in each shirt? 4. Excellent. How many buttons are there all together? All together means to add up. But add up is another meaning that is called multiplication. So we will take help from multiplication. 4 6 are 24. There are 24 buttons altogether. Dear students, practice rest of the 2 questions of page number 100 of your book 2. Thank you and good luck.